Welcome to the Appian Tech4TX training video for submitting credits. This tutorial will walk you through the submission of credits in the VSR portal, how credits can be applied to your administrative fees, and how credits can be received in the form of a check. Credits can be used to adjust sales that were previously submitted to DIR on a vendor sales report or VSR. Common reasons to submit a credit may include a customer cancellation of an order, either in part or in whole, a correction for a sale with erroneous data, or a discount provided to a customer after the sale was reported to DIR. Note that credits should only be reported if the sale was submitted to DIR on a VSR that was accepted and closed. Credits will be determined based on the approved credit amount and the admin fee percentage on your contract. For example, if the total credits approved were $1,000 and your admin fee percentage is 1%, then the calculation would be $1,000 multiplied by 1%, which equals an admin fee credit of $10. To begin, log into the Tech4TX platform, click on the waffle icon and navigate to the Vendor Sales Reporting portal. In the left side menu, click on the Contracts link. Click on the contract number that you want to submit a credit under. Then click on the Sale Items/Submit Credits tab. This tab contains each sales item that was submitted to DIR on an accepted VSR after a reporting period was closed. Note that sales displayed will only reflect sales submitted to DIR after September 2025. There are two ways to submit credits, either by selecting a specific sales item or by uploading a file. To submit a credit for a specific sale that has been reported in the current VSR, use the search and filter options to locate your sale. Once it has been located, click on the New Credit button in the column on the left. Enter the credit amount up to the total sales extended price. This amount cannot be negative, must be greater than 0, and cannot exceed the total sales extended price. Provide the reason for the credit that supports the credit, such as a customer cancellation or correcting a sale previously reported. Choose a method for applying the credit, either by applying the credit to a future administrative fee or by receiving a check. If the check option is chosen, please provide an address for the check to be delivered and note that a check may take up to 3 months. By submitting your credit request, you are acknowledging the information you entered is correct, and you will provide any documentation related to the sale and credit upon DIR's request. Click Create when done. Credits will be displayed on the View Credits tab with an approved status. Your credit submission will be automatically approved in the system when submitting a credit for individual sale reports. Credits can be submitted via a file for various reasons, such as whether the sale was submitted to DIR prior to September 2025, multiple credits to submit at one time, or the sale was reported to DIR over multiple reports. If you need to submit credits for multiple sales reports or for a reported sale in the previous VSR portal, click on the Credit Upload button. Click on the Download Credit Template link to access the credit template you'll need to complete and upload. In the template, provide the following information such as customer name, their purchase reference number, credit amount, credit reason, and the original order date for the sale. In the Credit Supporting Evidence tab, you can provide additional information for supporting evidence. Once you've filled out your credit template, click on the Upload button or drop your Excel file to upload your credit. Select the refund method of either applying the credit to future admin fees or receiving a check from the comptroller. Select the reason for submitting the credit of either the customer canceling in part or whole or adjusting a reported sale from the previous VSR portal. Click Submit when done. DIR will review and respond to your credit submission. Please be sure to view other training videos in this series on the DIR YouTube channel to learn more about the Appian Tech4TX platform. You can also contact DIR at tech4TX@dir.texas.gov with any questions. For contract-related questions, contact your assigned DIR contract manager.